Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. What's up? Good afternoon, guys. I am in Gopeng, Malaysia. We are at the Gaharu Tea Valley. There you go. There's the pamphlet. We are in a van on a tour. What does HOGA mean?
So there's a meaning of HOGA. HOGA is an acronym of Holistic Gaharu. Gaharu. And it's basically the brand of the Gaharu Tea Valley Gopeng. So there are 17 types of wild Gaharu species. Nice. So basically, HOGA is a brand. There's my cousin. Hello. My cousin. 我的表弟。他住在马来西亚。然后我的表妹在那边。Hello， 表妹。她是一个 future fashion Instagrammer. Alright. Hi guys, I am in Gopeng at the Gaharu Tea Valley. Vlogging, 这个是 vlogging 来的 vlogging. So we are deep in the tea plantation, an area where you can take pictures. You're in the forest, surrounded by trees, and you get to smell just the aroma of just tea. It smells really, really nice. Very, very nice smell. We're still at the Gaharu plantation, tea plantation, and we are about to go check out this 300-year-old tree. Alright guys, check out this 300-year-old tree. So these are the 12 zodiacs. Sun,
tiger.
牛是老鼠，猪，狗，鸡，
猴子。
猴子。
是马。
好，我跟嘉豪一样。
没有，我是猴子。
哎，我们上次在哪里？这个是什么地方来的？
金宝。
是里面是不是有鬼来了？
Yes.
啊。Alright guys, what's up? We're still in Gopeng. We are at Kelly's Castle. It's basically a castle. I don't know how much I need to explain about this castle. Alright guys, we're in Gopeng, Kelly's Castle. Apparently there was a older gentleman that had a lot of money and he invested in this property, and this is William Kelly's Castle. And this is his home, his residence, where he lived. And this is the moat. This is the bridge that we use to cross over the moat. So we're climbing the stairs. William Kelly's crib, his house. Apparently at night it's a haunted house. You gotta be careful. Okay guys, this is the end of the tour. We are at the top of William Kelly Smith's castle, and you get a very good view of the city of Gopeng. Alright guys, time to go. Going back down. This tour of William Kelly Smith's house with my cousin as the cameraman. Alright, let's go.
Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.